I'm an 18-year-old making between 10 and 20K a month, and I just kind of wanted to share to you guys my journey and how I navigate or how I went about making this money online. Now, I'm not gonna try edit this video and make fancy edits. I'm going to be as genuine as possible, and I'm going to be as raw and as like honest with you guys. Now, my journey, I kind of started venturing into this online space at around 12 years old. I was really young, and I just kind of wanted to, figure out how to, make extra money to to pay for stuff and to buy stuff. I'm someone who never really wanted my parents to what is this to buy anything for me. Hold on. Yeah, I'm someone who never really wanted my parents to buy anything for me. I always wanted to be independent, to make money for myself. And yeah, so when I was 12, between 11 years old or 12 years old, I ventured into day trading, right? That's the first ever thing that I did. And me being 12 years old, getting into day trading, I lost everything, and not everything, but I lost my money that I put in. I asked my dad to create the account, and he was very happy about it, because if you're a parent and your child is coming to you to ask to to get into something like trading or day trading, you'd be happy. You'd be thinking that your child wants to do something good for themselves. So yeah, my dad obviously signed up for me using his name and his details, and I started to learn how to trade, and I traded with that account. So yeah, that's kind of what I did. That was the first ever thing that I did, getting into the online space, right? Obviously, before I started day trading, I learned everything that was there to offer at the time about day trading. And this was back when I was 12 years old. Right now I'm 18 years old, right? But that was like 6 years ago. And that's the first thing I did. And this was still whilst I was living in South Africa with both my parents. And then obviously it didn't go well. I lost a bunch of times. It's a good thing that I never put real money in it at that time, because I would have lost it anyway. So I'm really happy about that. But yeah, I did trading and I failed miserably. And I'm happy that I did it and failed looking back at it. But then the next thing I did was, after that, I now moved to the UK. This was in 2023. I moved to the UK, and now when you're someone that is from Africa moving to the UK, you start to really see the world properly, and it kind of opens your eyes, and you kind of see things more and more clearly. You kind of have more access to things, and you see a lot of things when you're someone from Africa moving to the UK or to anywhere that is a first world country. And yeah, this is what I did. I moved, and I now saw the different ways that you could make money. I now saw that I now valued platforms like YouTube, like TikTok. I could learn a lot of things, and I still do learn a lot of things till this day. But I valued such platforms, and it kind of opened my eyes to the online space. And the first thing that I got into was drop shipping. That's what I did first. And I did drop shipping, and I learned a lot about it, but I was still not able to convert sales in dropshipping. I was not able to get sales. I would get a few clicks here and there, but people were not actually purchasing. And that's something that stuck with me for a long time during that period. And to be honest, looking back at it, I now kind of understand that I didn't really fully understand dropshipping at that time. I thought I did, but I didn't. That's why I was not able to see that conversion rate, or to not be able to make sales using dropshipping. So yeah, that's what I did, you know. And 2023, I made no money online. Still doing school, focused on that. 2024, um, that was when I started to kind of spend hours learning stuff, you know. And I was still learning drop shipping. I was also learning day trading, but now I was also learning something called affiliate marketing, Facebook ads, and vibe coding. These were the things that I was doing, and I would just spend time learning them, right? And this was the time AI was now starting to, you know, um, it was now started. It was the early stages of AI. If I'm being honest, it wasn't fully developed as it is now, but it was still starting. But I was still able to implement it in my workflow. Because to be honest, I'm probably one of the most laziest people that you could meet. I'm a very lazy person, right? I will find a way to not do the work, or make someone else do the work, or do the work, or make something else, or whatever it is. I don't want to do the work. I don't like working. That's why I prefer that I have systems in place for me to be able to get more work done. That's just how I am, right? But yeah, that's what I did. I did those things, and it failed. Made no money in 2024 online. 2025 came, and it got to a point where everything that I was learning, right? Everything that I'd learned from the previous years and failed, I was now starting to see a bit of progress, right? The first money that I made was in 2025, early 2025, and this was through drop shipping. I was using Shopify. This was through drop shipping, and I had sold a machine, right? Um, the reason I was selling machines is because I'm not gonna get into that in this video, but yeah, I sold a machine. That's a whole video on its own, so I won't get into that in this video. But I sold a machine, and I sold it for £450. Now, when I saw that purchase on my Shopify account, I was so happy. I was like, I was on top of the world. I was like, so, it was crazy. I couldn't believe it. When you see £450 in your Shopify dashboard, you're so happy. And I remember I sent screenshots to my dad, put it on the family group, put it on my story, showed everyone, and then people would be like, "Oh, teach me, bro, teach me, bro." I was so happy because at the time I was like 15, 16, right? 2024, and £450 was a lot to me, especially that the fact that I earned it on my own, you know. So yeah, I was really happy, and it was crazy. Next thing next thing I got into, I also was doing day trading. I made some money with day trading, but it wasn't anything too crazy. I was still really uneducated at the time. I thought I knew a lot about day trading, but to be honest, I didn't. And yeah, that's what happened. And then with affiliate marketing, I wasn't really earning as I am now, but I was just learning about it. And the vibe coding, I wasn't really earning. I was still learning, but I had made money from trading, and the big one was drop shipping. And now with the drop shipping thing, 2025, I now was able to make that reoccurring, right? And over the months, I just kind of grew my brand, right? Now I run a fitness brand called Forged, right? I ship globally. I sell gym equipment, or my company or my business sells gym equipment throughout the world. Yeah, so we drop ship those products and sell it, and we're doing successful. We're doing six figures now in my business, so I'm really happy about it. And when I say that, a lot of people will think that it was easy, or this guy, he didn't spend time working, you know. And believe it or not, right now it's 20 past 1 a.m. and I'm recording one of three videos that I have to record tonight. And I've been working for the last 12 hours, but you guys don't know that. You will only hear the good things, like me making sales online, or me doing this. You don't really hear the good things or not the good things, but the hard grafting or the hard work that comes behind this, right? So yeah, I made my sales, or I made online money in 2025, right? 2026 came. This was when things started pushing, and we're only in May now. But from December 2025 till now, it's crazy. I'm literally starting my personal brand now. I'm branding myself. I'm not branding something or a business, or like my business Forged. I'm branding me, Nathan. I'm branding myself, right? And I'm making money from it. I'm someone, if you don't know about me or my brand, I'm someone who makes money online, and I teach people how to make money online for free, right? Obviously for free, because I've realized that so many people, okay, I've realized that as a man, you really, really need to have the skill to be able to make money, or to be able to print money. That's what I believe as a man. And the reason that I started doing this is because when I was 12, when I was a 12-year-old boy, or when I was young trying to make money online, there were no tools. There were no people like me telling you how to make money online. That's why I'm doing it. That's why I'm starting this brand. And my niche is, to be honest, if I'm being completely honest with you, I teach everyone how to make money online. You don't need to be from anywhere in the world. You don't need to be from a specific country because it's online. There's no borders online. I teach everyone how to make money online. But my niche, I focus on Africans, right? And the reason I do that is because if I focus on the world, I'm competing with people like TJR or like Alex Hormozy and so many other people that are in the online space that have been doing it for 10 plus years and making money from it. So if I try and do that, I the chances of me actually making it are small rather than if I just focus on Africa first and scale throughout the world because that's what branding is. I don't know why my nose is blocked. That's what branding is, right? Branding is you start at a small place and you scale it, right? That's what I'm doing. So yeah, I'm just kind of excited. I don't know if you can tell now. I'm just kind of getting excited from talking about what I've been through. But yeah, 2025 was a very good year. I saw my first money online. Very excited. 2026 came, things just went through the roof. That year I did 6 figures, close to 7 figures, almost made a million, right? Very, really, really close to a million. And this was at the age of 17, 18 years old, right? And right now, I'm focusing on my personal brand, right? And I'm currently making between 10 and 20 figures. Sorry, what am I saying? 10 and 20K a month, not figures. That's crazy. 10 and 20K a month online. Hopefully, I can get to that 20K figures a month very soon, but it's unlikely if I'm being honest. But yeah, I'm someone who makes between 10 and 20K a month online and in the online space. And this is not including me helping people. This is including the things that I do, from having my brands, from having my affiliate marketing, from having my marketing. I'm now starting a kind of school, right? Not a school, but an education system where I teach people how to make money online because those tools were not available for me, right? So yeah, that's what I'm currently working on. And I'm someone who still stays in my parents' room, in my parents' house. I'm still in my parents' house, right? And the reason I stay here is by choice. I'm not the type of person to get money and spend it on stuff. Yes, I get money, but the things that I buy it on, I use it to get more money. Like this camera that I'm recording on, these two monitors that are by my side, my laptop, my microphone, right? These are the things that help me make more money. And this is something that a lot of people miss is they spend money on things that don't make them make more money, right? And yeah, that's the big mistake that they do. But yeah, that's kind of my story. And you guys can watch this or you can watch this, right? And you can hear me say all this stuff and see me all happy, but you won't think about all the times that I was working hard. Even now, I'm working hard. And sometimes I get depressed at the fact that I'm not working hard enough. Because, like I was saying before, I'm competing with online influencers like TJR or Alex Hormozy. TJR lost his TikTok account. He got banned. I don't know if you know about that, but he got banned on TikTok. I think he was close to hitting 100,000 followers. He was at 98 or 99,000 and he got banned, right? And ever since he got banned, he told himself that for a month, he's going to post 100 TikToks a day. And within a month, right, he managed to get to 100K followers. Now, with that information, how am I supposed to, how am I expected to compete with that? Do you see the levels I'm saying, right? That's why I was saying before, I'm focusing on building an African community, right? African community, teaching Africans how to make money. If you're from outside of Africa, great, still join the community, right? I'm going to build a community where um I have weekly calls or even daily calls when time allows. Because right now I'm just really busy on building my empire. But I'll be doing weekly calls, and that community will be on school, and I'll drop the link in this video when it's available, right? And I'll let you know. You guys will be on TikTok and on it. My nose is so blocked. Give me 1 second. Sorry for the people listening, but yeah, I will have a school community out there, and you guys will be able to watch it and see how I actually make money online and I'll be educating people how I make money online and how I teach them all these things. But yeah, I just hope that I gave you some sort of inspiration, right? And some sort of guide, and I helped you and you found value from this video. Like I was saying, about my brand, I'm someone who helps people make money online. I teach them how to make money online, and I teach them well, and they see results within the first week. I'm not promising that they see money within the first week, but I promise that they see results and changes, massive changes within the first week, probably within the first day, 50% of the time, if they do it right, right? But I hope you took value from this video. If you like my content, like, comment, share, subscribe, do everything so I can put more content out like this to you, and you can see me more on your page and on everything. And yeah, as always, from Africa to the world, let's build wealth. Peace.